Welcome back everybody to update for SMCI for this week. Remember guys, our content here for educational purposes. We don't provide any financial advice, and always do your due diligence before you put your money on the line. So this is our way. Let us discuss SMCI, where the price will go and how we should play this play right now, because now we are pulling back. Everything is pulling back, but semiconductors doing all right. AMD, SMCI, we got SUVI jumping almost 16% because the earnings. However, we got a situation here, guys, a situation happening for SMCI because the price broke the resistance last Monday or yesterday, and now we have a little pullback because the market is a bit bearish. So where the price will go from now? Are we gonna have a huge pullback or a little pullback? Because every one of you right now thinking about spotting the right dip. So right now you're seeing a little pullback. You say, should I buy right now? Should I wait for more dip? This is kind of the fallacy, and a lot of people think that they are proficient or right on spotting the dip, or they're not satisfied at the buying around any price unless it's the right dip. But nobody knows the right dip unless you are too late. So in today's video, you have to discuss where the price will go. Again, this is not financial advice, but the more technical percentage, let's say 90% chance that we're gonna have a dip, where we should prepare for it in order to confirm a reversal. And if we broke that level that we're gonna discuss right now, is mean yes, we're gonna have more dip down. If we didn't, is mean we're gonna continue higher, and of course we're gonna have another jump up because we did 10%. Everybody didn't expect 10% in one day, but we got this reaction yesterday. And see with me closely what happened here. The breakout happened around the 54, and we got 10%. Now is 1% down. Imagine, guys, 1% during a red market. Everything is down right now. And of course, we were in a green a bit. AMD, the only one in great green, almost 4%. And of course, SMCI follow the footsteps of AMD. AMD almost 100 million worth of volume, and SMCI almost 50 million of volume. But the scenario is we got two support, which is technical level that we should hold before the earnings after just few days from now or 1 week from now, because SMCI expecting earnings on Tuesday, next Tuesday, or 1 week, exactly 1 week from now. So let's plan this ahead and see what's gonna happen. First of all, guys, we've got a critical zone here that we should hold. From my opinion, will be a great level to watch out for. It is over the 54. So the 54 where we actually jumped last time, it is the current level that we should watch out for, because if we broke it, is mean yes, we're gonna have a weakness and we're gonna have a pullback before the earnings. However, if we held the gap that we did from yesterday and we continue up before the earnings, will be a great scenario. So now we have two scenarios. Either we pull back before the earnings to go toward the 54, consolidate before we go higher, or we go higher to test the 60 and 72, we be inside this orange box, and then we have the good earnings and continue to jump up. Or if we have bad earnings, yes, we're gonna go down. So this is the scenario right now. We're getting near the 66 and the 72.95, which is by far the most important level to break next month, to give us the levels around the $100 and beyond, because this is the target that SMCI want to go before the end of this month, around or below the $100. And for SMCI, guys, right now it's 1%. As we said, we have the 54 to hold. We're gonna discuss SMCI and the other stocks that we discuss today. It was a bit slow in the market, but before we have a really good stocks. One of them, it was SLRX. It was good in the pre-market, as you can see here. Dexter did a really great job on this one, but after that it pulled back. We discussed this kind of scenario, guys, because those kind of stocks jump up. Let's see here, we jumped almost 300%, then pulled back and give all the way back down toward the $1, from almost the $4 to $1. So those kind of stocks were great in pre-market, and once the market open, we reverse a bit, then we continue to go down. So those kind of stocks, guys, is really tricky, because If you want to enter on them, you have to exit quickly and never re-enter if we broke the support. So this is a good lesson from all the traders. Never follow the stock when it go down. Always exit if the price broke those kind of support. Those kind of stocks, guys, we discuss them every day on our Discord, where we discuss those stocks every day. They trade, and today we discuss stocks that have earnings, reporting earnings, mini stock reporting earnings today. So we're gonna discuss those stocks before even the earnings, to discuss the entry and the exit for them and how we play those kind of stocks. So we don't discuss just SMCI, but we discuss other stocks that have earnings, cryptos, and day trades. All those alerts, we always do them on Discord and Bitcoin before even the market open, because the pre-market always where we're gonna have a huge volatility, a huge liquidity, and where the price action actually move really quick. So that's why we always do update in the pre-market. So if you are interested, or if you wake up early and actually ready to trade, not just waiting for the market open, and of course you see a red market like now, you have to be ready even in pre-market in order to catch some good trade. The link in the comment section below, guys, to our Discord and Patreon to catch those trades with us. In the meantime, let me know in the comment section below what you think for the price action for SMCI. We're gonna have the $100 before the end of the next month, or we're gonna have a pullback before the earnings. Thank you for watching, and see you by tomorrow.